Portal turns any product into a safe sandbox demo where users can try your product instantly, signed in or downloaded with zero onboarding, just with a link. An AI agent can give a product demo, lead users through the product, or users can click around a lockdown sandbox where you decide ahead of time where they can click, what they can see. Let me show you a watch mode portal where an AI agent will lead you through the demo. Great to help people qualify to figure out if they're serious about trying the product.
Hey, welcome. This is a demo for Analyze Visits, which is similar to Google Analytics. You put a tag on your site to track live visitors. What brings you here?
Yeah, actually I was choosing between this and Google Analytics, but I heard your alerts feature was really good.
Got it. So you're interested in the reports and insights this dashboard provides. You can also set up alerts to get notified when visitor numbers spike, or get daily summaries of your stats. Should we take a quick look at how the alerts work?
Actually, I'm okay. So you just saw a watch mode portal. So it's the real website. So when you change your product, it stays up to date, and it can actually phone a friend in if someone's qualified and you want to actually jump in. Hey everyone, I'm Zach. I led analytics for Microsoft Copilot's rollout as a PM, and I actually pitched the co-founder of DeepMind on a computer use agent that led me to stay in over 10 Airbnbs last year. On the weekends, I'd go to a disability lab to validate the idea, but I spent more time setting up my demo environment than actually testing it. And I realized as billions of people are learning to build products, letting people try your product safely remains brutally hard. The problem is simple. We don't let people try our products because we don't trust anonymous users to click around without breaking things or being there to lose a qualified lead. So we hide behind book a demo calls, ask them to make accounts, or send documentation that people just completely ignore, killing PLG. Meanwhile, most people only adopt after trying something, right? Trying is believing, but founders and sales teams like yourselves can't actually scale personalized demos per person. So Portal is a secure runtime that sits on top of your real product in a sandbox. You choose what users can click, what they can see, and what's hidden, and what an AI says, all without deployment, without leaks. It's like browser-based, but instead of sandboxes to build products, it's sandboxes to try products. But what if we want users to actually click around themselves, already signed in a safe way? In play mode, you can see over here, when I go on here, so you can see the Portal dashboard where you have all your different sandboxes alongside links for all of them. I'm going to show you the API key. So I'm going to make an interactive link over here, and I'm going to go to a new page and paste it in. And what you're going to see is a full sandbox, which has been designed to show off this product, but in a very safe way. So if I click on something like alerts, it'll actually say it's off limits in this portal. In the real product, you can actually try all of it, but here it's blocked. The API keys in real time have changed what their actual value is from the real value to API key. On the real website, it actually says the API key value. This is all a runtime that someone has built with a drag and drop editor to show a specific version of their product, which is really nice. There's another version where you just show alerts, which is nice. And it's not just deployed software. You can actually drop in a prototype you built with Claude Code for a sales call. So this is one of my favorite tweets of all time. So you have here. So you have Elon Musk saying, if you're a hardcore software engineer and you want to build the everything app, just show us your code. And the response is, it's actually a really funny thread. You should look into it. With Portal, you actually can share localhost. So I'd encourage you, take your phone out, scan this right now, and try on your phone. So I'll take a break, 10 seconds. Last presentation, we had over 20 people trying localhost. This time, we're going to have 25. So what you're seeing is a new prototype that I made for Analyze Visit, where you can actually click on the different elements and track how many clicks you get on each part of your product page. So this is the first time you actually can send a link to stuff that you're prototyping in localhost, which is really, really nice. And it's not just me thinking about sandbox experiences. OpenAI released their ChatGPT App Store, Anthropic their MCP. They're great if you want people to use your product, but how do you try a product? Rather than rebuilding your product for some random schema for MCP, you've already built your product. Why not take the website you already have, open it up in a VM to the right spot, and use Portal's runtime to safely define what users can do? Now, every sales team and founder can safely scale millions of demos async to have anyone on Earth try a personalized dynamic demo of their product at any state. And every single app store in the future won't have screenshots. They're going to let you actually try the app beforehand using a portal. We're making links for every product on Earth with a secure runtime. If anyone here is building a product in the next month and you want feedback on, feel free to reach out. We'll build your first portal together in under an hour, so you can send it out by Monday. We actually have non-technical people building portals in less than an hour. Don't send a video, send a portal. Because screen shares help you look, but portals help you try. And in a world with billions of products, it's getting much easier and easier to build. Trying is actually believing. Thank you.